What's up, folks? Butcher here. Maybe yesterday you had a little brunchy brunch. And maybe you ordered way too many croissants and everybody just wanted to, suck down some mimosas rather than eat what you had prepared. So, whatever, it is what it is. But now you're stuck with 6 croissants and you don't know what to do with them. So, it's Monday morning and you need your daily bump. No, not that kind. Anyways, I'm going to show you what you can do to make some quick, simple breakfast ideas using the leftover croissants that you have. Stay tuned. So let's start with our croissants. Beautiful, aren't they? For this one, you got 3 choices. You got your standard deli ham, some prosciutto, or got some ham slices. We're going to go upscale. So the first idea we're going to run with is Eggs Benedict, except in a croissant. So is it still Eggs Benedict? Or is it something else? I don't know, maybe we change the name. I don't know, comment below. First up, take your croissant, take your knife. We're just gonna cut the lid off of this guy here. Just like so. We're gonna toast this guy up. Hot pan, little pat of butter here, just melt this guy down. We're going to add in our croissant facing down and even a lid. We're going to toast these guys up just a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and flip these guys over. And nicely toasted there, you can see that. You can hear that. Once you have your desired crispiness, we're going to go ahead and put your lid back on and set your croissant to the side for now. In order to poach our egg, you're going to need a pot, some form of heating element, such as what I'm doing here, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill your pot up with at least 2 inches of water. About there is good. And what I like to use is a little candy thermometer. So I can clip it on the end here. Make sure you rotate it so you can see it. And we want to get this guy to about 190, 195 degrees. Our water is roughly about 190 degrees, 195. So we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of just white vinegar. Remove your thermometer. Break up some of these bubbles you get down here at the bottom, because that's where your egg is going to be sitting on. And then we're going to make a little whirlpool action here, to which we're going to take 1 fresh egg, and we're going to slap that guy right in the middle. And now, when it comes to the top, you're done. Let's make a quick Hollandaise. So we got our pot of water here, we got a bowl, got a whisk. 2 eggs, yolks, that's all you need. Start out. Little lemon juice, just a touch. Put it over our water. We don't want to cook it. All we want to do is we want to start incorporating it and start incorporating air. We want to bring it up slowly to temp. Guys, I'm going to level with you. This is going to be extremely boring, so we're going to fast forward through most of this.
Really
got it? Cool.
Labor intensive. There is other ways to make Hollandaise sauce. You could either use an immersion blender, you could put it in a blender, you could do all kinds of things. But anyways, this is just the traditional way of taking it, to the heat, removing it from the heat, take it to the heat, removing it from the heat. You're just going to keep doing this until you get a nice thin ribbon.
At this point, we're going to start incorporating our butter nice and slow, a little bit at a time.
Like I said, this is labor intensive, so if you want to do it this way, go right ahead. Just keep adding butter, add it to the heat, take it off, add butter, take it to the heat, take it off.
As you can see here, I know it's not the best, but let me get it on the back of the spoon. Whoops, drippy drip. But there we go. Perfect. So let's go ahead and throw this thing together. Take our toasted croissant and just kind of open that guy up there just a little bit. Okay. Make a little well. Don't mind the crumbs. In fact, let's do that. There we go. We'll take our prosciutto ham. It's lovely, lovely. And get it off the paper ever so delicately. And we'll just kind of shove that in there. A little well, if you will. Let's get our egg that has been poached on top, like so. And then we will add our Hollandaise. Just give it a nice ribbon bloop on top there, and then we will go ahead and finish up with some chives. Maybe a little bit more on the plate, along the side. Don't forget your lid. And there you go. Eggs Benedict a la croissant. All right, so I stopped to take some pictures, and I should have done this first, but just to prove it here. There's that yolk porn. Just want to prove that, yes, this was indeed cooked. Bon appetito!